Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tag Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually change your preferred language on SoundCloud. Now this is a very easy process, but you only gotta know where to find. So first go down and open up your browser and type in SoundCloud. Now open up the SoundCloud application on your browser and go and log into your existing account right here. Now from there we go to the top right corner, as you can see right here. Press it and go down to the settings, the last option. Now inside the settings you probably look for the language options right in these tabs, but you will not find them. So you actually need to scroll all the way down till you find this last option, this very tiny option called language, and here you can simply change it to whatever you like. Now this is how you select your language in SoundCloud. If you still get any other questions or if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, this helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.